Hi everyone, welcome back to Dream Cars, where today, we dive into the future of luxury with the all-new 2026 Mercedes-Benz C-Class. If you thought the C-Class couldn't get any better, think again. Mercedes has completely reimagined their iconic sedan, blending cutting-edge technology, bold design, and pure driving pleasure into a single, irresistible package. At first glance, the 2026 C-Class commands attention. It wears a sharper, more athletic look, with a wider stance, a lower profile, and that signature Mercedes grille now even more sculpted. The digital light headlights are a masterpiece, adapting intelligently to every drive, while the new alloy wheel designs add a sporty edge to its refined character. Every curve on the C-Class is designed not just for style, but for performance. Aerodynamics have been improved, ensuring a quieter, more efficient ride. Around the back, the sleek taillights stretch across the width, giving the C-Class a bold, modern presence day and night. Step inside, and you're welcomed into a world where luxury meets technology. Mercedes calls it the third place, your sanctuary away from work and home. Premium materials, ambient lighting, and a completely redesigned dashboard create an environment that's both futuristic and comforting. The centerpiece, a massive 14.4-inch OLED touchscreen floating above a minimalist center console, paired with an even larger, fully digital driver display. MBUX, Mercedes' next-generation infotainment system, is more intuitive than ever. It learns your preferences, responds to natural speech, and now offers deeper integration with your digital life. Want to adjust the climate, change the driving mode, or plan your journey? Just say, "Hey Mercedes," and let the car do the rest. Under the hood, the 2026 C-Class offers a choice of powertrains to suit every driver. From efficient mild hybrid options that maximize fuel economy to a punchy plug-in hybrid delivering an electric-only range that finally makes city commutes completely gas-free. And for those craving more thrill, Mercedes promises an AMG variant that will redefine sporty luxury. Thanks to an updated 9-speed automatic transmission and finely tuned suspension, the new C-Class glides effortlessly across any terrain. It's more agile, more responsive, and yet more comfortable than ever before. With 4MATIC all-wheel drive available across most models, confidence comes standard, no matter the weather. And it wouldn't be a dream car without some serious creature comforts. The available massage seats turn even the longest drives into a spa-like experience. The panoramic sunroof floods the cabin with light, while the optional Burmester 3D surround sound system transforms every playlist into a private concert. Safety is in the C-Class DNA. The latest driver assistance technologies work seamlessly to protect you and your passengers. From adaptive cruise control that handles stop-and-go traffic effortlessly to collision avoidance systems that react faster than humanly possible, the 2026 C-Class is always looking out for you. At night, the C-Class really comes alive. Multicolor ambient lighting dances across the dashboard, the headlights carve a bright, confident path ahead, and every drive feels like a special occasion. It's not just about getting from A to B anymore. It's about enjoying every single mile. The 2026 Mercedes-Benz C-Class isn't just another luxury sedan. It's a statement, a vision of where driving passion meets intelligent innovation. Whether you're behind the wheel or just admiring it from the curb, one thing's certain. The C-Class continues to set the benchmark for the segment. Thanks for riding with us today here on Dream Cars. If you love getting an early look at the world's most exciting vehicles, make sure to hit that like button, subscribe, and turn on notifications. We've got so much more coming your way. Until next time, keep dreaming big, and drive even bigger. Thank you for watching.